Today we're making the ultimate comfort food, Chicken and Biscuits Bake. It's cozy, it's hearty, and it's everything you want in a one-pan dinner. Let's dive right in. Ingredients for 6 servings: 6 tablespoons butter, 1 onion, 1/2 cup flour, 3 cups chicken broth, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 cup heavy cream, 2.5 cups frozen mixed vegetables, 1 rotisserie chicken, 2 tubes biscuit dough. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's get things warm and cozy. In a large pot over medium-high heat, melt the butter until it starts to bubble. Add the chopped onion and stir for about a minute, just until soft and fragrant. Now, whisk in the flour and stir constantly. You're creating a smooth roux. No browning here, just creamy magic. Slowly pour in the chicken broth while whisking. Make sure there are no lumps left behind. Add salt, pepper, and then the heavy cream. Let it come to a gentle simmer until it thickens slightly. Taste test. Adjust seasoning if needed. Stir in the frozen mixed vegetables and shredded rotisserie chicken. Mix it all until it's one big, creamy, savory pot of love. Transfer everything into a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Top evenly with 12 pieces of biscuit dough. Yes, they'll puff up and get golden as they bake. Pop the whole thing into the oven and bake for 20 minutes, or until those biscuits are golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Let it cool for a few minutes before diving in. And there you have it. Creamy, dreamy chicken and biscuits bake. Crispy on top, cozy underneath, and loaded with flavor in every bite. This is the kind of meal that brings everyone to the table. If you give this recipe a try, I'd love to know what you think. Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more soul-warming recipes coming your way. Until next time, stay cozy and eat well.